broken through the line of defence. He's in the clear. That must have been marginal as far as offside is concerned. And play stopped because of an offside.
Yeah, you look at it, there's no doubt about it. He went too early there.
And the pass not completed, really. White. Quick ball. Oh, in goes the cross. Here. Oh, he saved it. It's still in play. Keeping the move going.
Good skill. But you look at the defender, not good enough.
Defensively, they're very sound. Although they would like to stop the cross coming in the first place, I think. Silva. Well, here they are on the attack again. Unlucky, that's not what he was trying to do, it's gone out of play. It's Kinnunen. Well, just look at him go with his dribbling skills. They're passing it well here. He's going to cross it. And it's a heading chance now. Wonderful goal. Never stay still in the box, that's his mantra. And again, that little bit of movement, only little, got him into the right place. Another tap it.
Yeah, it's a natural ability, but I think as you get more experienced, you get better at it even. If you've got a header of the ball like this in your side, it's a great option. You can swing the pass in and you always know he's going to compete. And what a finish that was.
So after the goal, we've opened the scoring here, 1-0. Now the counter-attack could be on here. Well, they were breaking away well, but in the end, the defenders snuffed it out. Is he going... It's probably just about on the edge of the range from which he can expect to score, but the odds against him are with the corner. If they can get their set pieces right here, they could get themselves level. Takes the shot on. What a chance to be level in the match.
No, it was, and it's a chance squandered. It's a poor miss from him.
Keeps it going well. And he would have got into the clear there, but he's been stopped in his tracks. This player's got an inherent sense of balance, and you saw it then, to keep going. Well, he committed himself, and he made the right decision. Kinnunen. They've got the midfield players back behind the ball as well. And such quality in the build-up, and a brilliant finish. A wonderful goal. Well, he didn't waste any time with niceties there. Just hit the shot first time.
Well, he knew he didn't have too much time in the box, and he was right to take it on, but it was great technique. Well, you can see the goal scorer where he's heading to thank the man on the wing who crossed it in with such accuracy, he could hardly miss.
And it's 2-0.